Hello, good morning. I would like to get some information on this. I got this from somebody.
On this side, you buy one of the large and you get the next large half price.
Oh, you had to buy something and they get the next one half price.
Like these on this side.
For the 12-inch, whoa, that's plenty. I can't manage so much. Alright, so Church's chicken get 2 free piece.
You buy a 10-piece meal, you get 2 pieces free. The rituals, you buy one, you get the next one half price.
Whoa, that's too much. Like I have to buy one to get one.
The next one half price.
Nah.
So you're paying for the next one half price.
I would have to have somebody with me and I don't have anybody. You understand?
Yeah,
like I could buy
until I think March.
Yeah, you have until the end of let me tell you, I think it's the end of January.
January or March?
I think it's the end of January.
April. This
Valid.
until April. So you have enough time, man.
Okay.
Birthdays, party, you know, kids.
The 1st of January 2025 today to March the 3rd.
Yes, we have
The
enough
31st.
time.
Oh, I have enough time.
Yeah, these is other places.
So I get all 3 of them?
Yeah.
I get this one, I get this one, and I get this one?
Yeah.
Whoa, thank you so much, I appreciate. Okay, guys, so I have enough time. Alright, with the chillers, I could buy one, get one free, 50% off. What do you think, guys? No, I think I would leave that for our next time. Okay, guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Welcome. So my day in a churches, I did a check out the free ticketing, but it's like you had to buy certain amount and get certain amount free. So this would be like a group thing. You're having like a little party or so forth, or you're having a little gathering with friends, then this is necessary. But for just me alone, you know, me alone can't go eat one big pizza plus pay half price for the next big pizza. So it's like, and I have time, so I don't think I have to rush. I have time. I have real time. Valid until April, March. Whoa, I have real time. So I have to just take care of this because I have real time. Let me show you. So this is the churches plus rituals. This is Mario's, and this is 3 other places. So I have time. This valid up to, this one is valid until the January the 31st. So yeah, I have to use this month. Okay, guys, I'm not gonna use it today. So guys, I don't know me already. Always a dead for hungry. So I'm gonna look something for eat. Today I what? Thursday. We should have looked on this something and say Thursday. What is Thursday special? I'm gonna ask them. Guys, I could run a food business in Trinidad. You're sure to get through. These people name supporters, boy. They like outside. And they like eating outside too. So you sure again your support. I know when I rate with them, no matter how you see them on the road also, them are supported. Them support street side hustlers. See the guys. I come to check out the voucher and I'm hungry, man. So just grab something for now because I might not get the chance again. And guys, rain a fall. Guys, it's raining outside. Real raining, but I'm telling you. Right now my foot there soak. God help me. Can't stay home because Monday at school. Bad weather, me G. How you feel like going home, man? Yeah. Eh? I feel like going home, boy, but I can't. Oh my, and it's out. I hear it's whole day. Yeah, it's still early, but I hear it's a whole day rain, whole day. Oh my. Guys, I hear it's some yellow something I need to watch. But me can never get the information straight. Happy New Year! Guys, my foot them soak. Yellow alert, yeah. So no say. Guys, me pass the bank. No say. Rain all day. Sorry. Mighty, this not look good at all. This ain't looking good. Oh God. I start get stuffy already. Oh Lord, have mercy upon us. I pray God change the weather because it's still early. I pray God change the weather, but let's see. Only God alone can do it. So guys, outside we are working wet, so me and Uno I gotta go upstairs. Guys, my hand full, I can't even close the umbrella. Only dry place to go and eat right now. Everywhere else wet. Oh God. My umbrella buck up in my door. Oh Lord, I have to stay right here where I could watch my goods and things downstairs. Oh, guys. I come out today for make a look at the line. Because I school time now. So I come out today for make a look at dollar. But I got work still, so who is me? Guys, my foot then soak wet. That's why my sinus now get better, you know. This ain't easy at all, believe me. Because it's good days, but it also have its bad days too. So today is one of the bad days. Guys, I may eat breakfast this morning, you know. But me find whenever things up on my mind, I does eat a lot. No, look there. The view. I can see my green umbrella down there, so. So guys, I'm going back down. I go back down. Up here warm doing. I wish you could have stayed. But I can't stay. One. Hey. Whoa, this is serious. So you didn't know for that? PB elevator not open. What the ass is this? Why is the door not opening? People the elevator door not open. Put the ass. The door not opening at all. Remember? What the ass is this? Let me take the stairs, yes, cause me ain't going through these people. The door not open up. So me come back up to level 1 and see. Take me look at 2 local stairs. Mighty God. Cause some me the panic and me claustrophobic. I go try it, guys, because suppose there wasn't any stairs. When rain fall and then something start malfunction. So how it a open now? It a open now, but when me inside and want to come out, it not open. Not me, yes. Mighty, I want to go home. I want to go home. I wish I was in my bed. The whole place wet, guys. Well, I'm sitting there and wet up. I mean, I go back there, you know. I'm going right back there. And me I tell him man slow down and don't wet me. Still had to wet me. Crazy. I hope they seen the water, you know. Very good, very good, very good. Cause some people acting like they don't see the water and wetting me down. Very good, very good, very good. Yeah, act like on a see people. Correct. Act like on a see people on the roadside. They wet me down. Hello. Guys, it's serious out here in Irene, believe me. It's serious out here. Probably I forgot to take off my socks because I feel like with the socks wet in the slippers, it might make me get even sicker. I'm going to put on the phone, you know. Oh, Lord. Oh. Jesus Christ. Lucky thing, say. Me too then did kind of do. Lucky thing. And guys, the rain now fall heavy, you know. It's a juju, but you can see. Watch it. Woo! Jesus. Me have to put up my umbrella to back the water there a while ago. No, sir. And then can take time, you know. Then see water and then can take time, then just whip it. Ay, ay, ay. People, the struggle real out here. The struggle is real. Why when me make it in a life, nobody enough a bad mind, you know, because them something me I come from, them something me I got through. For real. And my umbrella come like Italy. Good yes. That's it. So guys, it's 11 o'clock. I'm so African because of the rain. The rain terrible. So me if you have one umbrella over my head and one on my foot, because when they're ready to pass and flash up in the water, they right there, so I know not no good. It's crazy. Lord, I think. Watch you know. Only one. Lord, I thank you for sunshine. Thank you for rain. Thank you for joy. Thank you for pain. It's a beautiful day. Guys, me still I grab my 1 and 2 in a rain. Me just sell something for $3. So me still I grab my 1 and 2. You know me cool. Cool bad. Boy. This rain real terrible. So you want 1 sting and 2 bourbon?
Yeah.
Yeah, you could pull it, but you have to put your hand. Yeah. Would you like a straw?
A straw? Yeah.
Oh my. Way. Guys, this is serious. These people see so many rain falling. The road is wet. And somebody's on the side of the road and they keep driving hard. Good morning. Like people, I'm going to tell you. Morning, Rasta. You know, you have people drive them big vehicle and them are working at them AC or with them they comfortable and calm in this time of the season or in the rain. As I was saying, and them not in the rain or get wet or anything. Look what me have to go to people. I mean I bash nobody. I just talk the truth. Me have to go through this when I'm out in the rain and me I get wet from all angles. And people we in them warm, cozy area right now or in the AC would have come and trust me things them and act like they no member say they owe me or me have to come, me have to ask them for my money. Like some of them not even like them not even care. And the worst thing when me I buy or me got the liquor store or minimart wherever grocery wherever I buy If me not have my money, me cannot get through. Me don't tell myself, say, see for that area where me have to struggle in the rain and the sun, no crediting. No crediting, God no. Some people too wicked. You have some nice one, you know. You have some people owe you $1. Oi! And they member say they owe you $1 and come give you $1. While you have some, every time they come their money short. And they not pay you. No matter how they not pay you. So you see for this year, no credit and no short money, boy. Who better them vex than me vex. People want me from last year, year before last, year before, and a son they not pay. No, it's not gonna work. If me did run down or pop down here that year, and none of them would have did help me up back. So doing business, people, me know it's hard, cause sometimes you have people really not have the money for you at the time and would really want even a water or something. But limit it. Just limit it, and if you don't have a credit, don't credit ya. No credit nobody, because when you don't have it, you just don't have it and you have to do it out. Doing business, it's real rough, because you have some people who take your kindness to weakness and take advantage of your business. So you have to know what you do. Boy, what you call? Oi! Tell you no, them I wait down me buying. You have some people come never have their money, yet he always live in a car. And then come with the same excuse every time. The same lame line. Mighty God, me can't manage. This year I done, me done. No more right, I swear, no more. Me I go lose some, but God I gonna make me gain some. Me I go lose some, but God I gonna make me gain some. And me have my bills to pay. Me have my son to send go to school. Me have to eat. My mother have to eat. My son have to eat. It not easy, rough. People need to stop take advantage of people. And uno come with a sad face, want the credit and want to pay. Uno walk far, uno step wide, uno go like uno no member. All sort of sit now, boy. If you stop it, man, tap it. Well, if you don't want to pay for no business, but this year you can't do it to me again. I am finished. See, this way I have to sit down, you know. Whether or not me make it, I have to pay a driver, carry me out here, carry me back home. I not depend on that. No more crediting. No more. Yes, Lord. Alright, guys, thank you for tuning in. I'm going to fight it in a rain. I'm going to hold the faith. See you again in the next video, guys. Enough love, enough blessings, and enough respect. I want to not see my face. Enough love, enough blessings, enough respect. Guys, just pray for me. I can't complain. I Father God work. Just have to go and him doing work and me just go and do my work. But big up on yourself, alright? So no do take care. And soon again. Chapman, where you are? Who for umbrella for borrow? When me lend my umbrella, they go wet me dog. If me lend the umbrella, when them a pass and a splash, they go wet up my face everywhere. So me have to keep the umbrella here, so. Let me look at me find it, look a small one, lend you. Where I go over the where me find a small one, lend you. With the ass. Oh.
Look around, call and go.
Yeah, I go take it up. Oh God. Yes, guys. I just like having a good heart and helping people. Believe me. Alright, guys, love you. Love you, love you, love you, love you, love you. Whoa! Like the rainwater drop everywhere now. Alright guys, later. Me I get wet. Me no want to get wet too. Okay. All of me tights wet. Rainwater drop. Guys, later.